Not this. Not this. What's this? Not this. What the fuck is that? LED Sonic hairdryer. Scalp and hair device. Sonic hairdryer with LEDs. It's a groundbreaking device that takes drying your hair to the next level in terms of efficiency and time. In essence, besides taking away 90% of the humidity left after washing your hair thanks to its narrow LED beams, it also treats your scalp, making it healthier. Does it?
こんにちは、宮田俊也です。今日はこのアデランスの新ドライヤーカミガの性能を実験したいと思います。ヘアアドバイ
Konnichiwa. I will accept that there's going to be an advert for watching it a bit
Got a
bigger.
combi boiler.
Shut up about my boiler. What do you know about my boiler? Fuck off. I'm going to... Here he is. There he is.
こんにちは、宮田俊也です。
Konnichiwa. Yes. I can't say it all, but...
こんにちは、宮田俊也です。今日はこのアデランスの新ドライヤーカミガの性能を実験したいと思います。ヘアアドバイザーの西川。 This is my LED hairdryer. It knocks the shit out of all the other hairdryers on the market. Here's my friend to help.
から行っていきます。ブラッシングすることでこのように髪
Oh, I'm used to drying my hair with a normal hairdryer and it looks fucking awful. Look.
ドライヤーでは静電気を抑えること
Awful.
が
All
できませ
frizzy
ん
and
が
shit. But that's probably because you've just used it without a nozzle or any brush. So it's going to do that. Let's have a look at what you've got.
髪がでブローしてみてください。
Ah! It's also, you can hear it's also a hairdryer. Can't you? You can see the air blowing. So I'm guessing it's just a normal hairdryer with lights on it. And you're still getting that splay. You can see there is product on this piece of hair, keeping it together at the top. Maybe they're drying some gel into it to make it seem like it stays more sleek, but it sounds like a normal hairdryer just with some lights on it, mate. Whoa!
すごい。
Knocks the shit out of yours.
サラサラですね。
Absolutely shits on yours, you silly bitch.
これがプラズマクラスターですね。
I'm translating.
さて、ここから
I'm translating.
さんにもご協力いただいて実際に使用しながら
She's happy, look.
性能に迫ります。
宮田さん、こちらのスタンドにカミガをどうぞ。
置いちゃっていいんですか？
Comes with a
失礼
stand.
します。
Oh! Comes with a stand, so you can use it sort of without, I suppose, freehand. That's an interesting development in the hairdryer. Again, as a former hairdresser, I wouldn't be using that ever. And I wouldn't suggest you do either, because what's going to happen is all your hair's going to blow up like that, and then it's all going to stick up, and it'll be all frizzy. Like, you need to be drying from above down. You point the hairdryer above, and you dry down to smooth. I mean, maybe you want more volume, but the average person on the street is not going to want the drag through a hedge backwards level of volume that you're going to get from that.
すごい。手放しドライヤーですね。これは忙しい朝とかにすごく便利。
Look at it, it's making her hair look a lot worse, if anything.
いいですね。
そうなんです。このカミガスタンドに置けば
Now it's all frizzed out at the top and sides.
ハンズフリードライで乾かすことができちゃうんです。ちなみにカミガ
Before and after here, or with and without the giant head scalp attachment.
は優しい風で乾かしながら2種類のカスアタッチメントで頭皮を心地よく刺激することもできるんです。
すごい、スカルプケアまでできるんですね。
カミガは2つの吹き出し口から
It's a normal hairdryer with some lights on it.
広範囲に風を届けるドレープフローによって時短約 50% という速乾性を実現しています。またセンシングドライモードで髪の表
What's that? Is that the heat map?
面温度の目安を55度以下に保つので熱ストレスを抑えられます。
It's an interesting heat map. I know it's not showing me a scale, so I don't know whether that's like, you know, you can adjust the heat camera to.
近づけても温度が変わらない。素早く乾くのに髪に優しいんですね。
髪の様子がこちらです。
これは潤い
Oh,
が断然違いますね。
he loves it.
さまざまな機能で頭皮から美しい髪を考える新発想ヘアドライヤーカミガ。
Hairdryer, I heard that.
皆さんもぜひお試しください。
Loving that.
美しい髪を潤いが断然違いますね。さまざまな機能で頭皮から美しい髪を考える新発想ヘアドライヤーカミガ。
Hairdryer, I heard that.
さまざまな機能で頭皮から美しい髪を考える新発想ヘアドライヤーカミガ。皆さんもぜひお試しください。
And he's gone. There he is. I wouldn't suggest buying that. That looks like a load of shit to me, frankly. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm looking for a sponsor. It looks really good. If you, oh man, I should find products that I'm going to be positive about, shouldn't I? And then say how good they are, and then people might want to sponsor me. Like if I go through all these things and say this looks fucking awful, what are you doing putting that on your face, you fucking idiot? Then they're going to think this isn't the person, not for my brand. But you do know I'm honest. Gadgets. These are the top gadgets. That's a silent karaoke exercise microphone, noiseless voice training instrument. Noiseless. So you put that on your face and you sing and no one else can hear you. Apparently, noiseless USB karaoke mic for Wii. What? I think I've seen those before, but I thought they were things that you urinate into. Didn't realise they were for singing. Wouldn't want to put that around your chops. But apparently, no, look, and I can see the concept now. It makes sense. You've got space for your mouth to move, but within it, sponge, the microphone and a load of sponge. That might actually be good as a concept for like MCing and rapping. You don't get any of the outside world. You only record the rapping. Might actually be useful. But you look like you're wearing a potty on your face. You buy that for your kids if you're tired of listening to them sing. This is a very much a cheaper version. Just the plastic cup. Is she singing again? Trisha, put the plastic cup on your face. No, we can all hear, the neighbours can hear. Trisha, put the cup on your face. I bet I can achieve the same thing with a cup. Take my breath away. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Take my breath away. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Take my breath away. That's my drill. That's the drill that I... It's better with the cup, probably. Might start using a